kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a be natural. Before you can realize that you are.
Alright, this way. You're welcome. Hey, baby. How's your day?
It's good.
Babe, meet Chidi, my husband. Hubby, Chidi, my boyfriend. Baby boy.
Your husband?
Yeah.
You're married?
Chidi, nice to meet you.
You're married?
Yes, why?
Hope you had a good day at work.
Babe, my day was good, but it was quite hectic, so. But I had to handle it. Okay?
Okay, that's alright.
I should follow you.
What is it now? Why are you panicking? Let's go. This way.
Babe, were you joking when you said that man is your husband?
No, we're legally married.
And yet he allows you bring another man into his home? I mean his matrimonial home. Hold on, do all married men have boyfriends?
You're here on my bed, are you not? Look, I don't even know why this should be your headache.
Yeah, it shouldn't, but I'm surprised to see a man that will let his wife bring another man to his home and cheat in his presence. It's it's ridiculous, isn't it?
As ridiculous as it sounds, I need to go to work, so you need to get up and dress up.
Flora! Not even a sign of empathy. Look, do you even love this man?
Chidi, you need to get dressed so we can go. No, that's my marital affairs is your business. You heard me. Come on, baby.
Hey, baby.
You're having breakfast already?
Oh, yeah. You care for some?
No. I'm already late for work. I'll have food when I get to work.
Alright.
Chidi.
Oh, Mr. Chidi.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Good.
Care for some?
Thanks.
Alright.
I'll see you when I get back.
Alright, baby. Love you.
The kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire.
Guy, wait, I don't understand. Is this real, Abi? You just want give me lamba?
Guy, exactly my thoughts. How African man go allow him wife to cheat for him presence?
Chidi, wait, make I understand you. You mean that your woman? What's that her name?
Flora now?
Yeah, Flora. So she's married?
I found out yesterday night. And you know the worst part? She never tell me anything like this before.
Guy, that is she don't knock married woman though.
For the presence of her husband.
Oh man!
I tell you.
For this Africa.
Guy, this man literally stood up and left the room for me and his wife and went downstairs to sleep.
Guy, this talk, I don't believe you, I beg. You know what happened? Just go sleep. Maybe if you don't wake up, we'll continue to start talking, yeah?
This happened to me like this. Your guy, they tell me to make I go sleep.
Guy, free me, I beg. I don't get time for this way of talk. If you don't wake up, we'll continue.
I don't know if I want to tell you again.
still coming? Stop playing with me like that. You know I miss you. No what? So you're still coming? Hey babe, hold on babe.
I just noticed that the foodstuffs are finished.
Oh shoot. I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting. I had it in mind.
No, it's alright. It's no problem.
Thank you for understanding, babe. Thank you. By weekend, I promise you I'm going to do grocery shopping. Okay?
Well, there may not be need for that because I already bought some things online. So I'm just going to go to the supermarket and pick a few things remaining.
Thank you so much. I'll do a transfer to you.
No need.
Okay.
Sure.
All right.
I get a hug?
Babe. So are you still coming? Stop playing now. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Bye. Babe, please get me juice when you're coming.
Alright.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire.
That is exactly what I want you.
You like it?
Of course, I like
Give
it. That's
to
why
you,
you are
baby.
here.
I give it to you anyhow. I give it to you anyhow. You don't have to do it now.
Oh my goodness. Sister, you're smashing another man in your matrimonial home? Hey, big girl. How is your journey, kiddo? I wasn't expecting you to come this early. What's going on? Look, you just go upstairs, alright? Freshen up and then come downstairs. I made your favorite meal. Okay? Carry your bag. Okay. Bye. That's my baby sister.
Hey, you didn't tell me that you stay with your husband.
That's what now? Why am I telling you? My friend, go upstairs. I need to go and make stuff for my sister.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. It can make a be natural. If only you can realize the kind of love.
Okay, why are you still awake? Why are you not sleeping?
I should be asking you why you're still awake by this time of the night.
Really? You don't ask a man that kind of a question. This is my house. I can sleep whenever I want to sleep.
Really? Why? Are men not human?
You know what? Enough of the questions. Just go and sleep already. Okay?
What are you even doing here? You should be in your room by this time. Or are you having issues with your wife?
Of course not. I'm not having any issues with my wife. I mean, I was seeing a program, then I dozed off. Yeah.
No, that's a lie. Something is really fishy, but...
There are no buts. You just go upstairs and allow me to rest. Allow me to sleep. If I want to sleep here, it's not a problem. Just go upstairs.
Okay. Alright. Good night.
You just stop being dramatic and just go. Stop being dramatic and go and sleep.
Good night.
There is one thing I desire. It can make a be natural.
It's alright.
Thanks, boss.
I hope you know she's my wife, huh?
How is it my business?
How is it your business? You know, initially when you came, I kept quiet. You're meant to have sense now. Advise yourself. How can you be sleeping with someone's wife? Are you okay?
Excuse you?
Advise yourself.
Hi, sis. Good morning. Sis, can you please drop me in the office?
I have somewhere important to do.
What? We are going to the same direction. Good morning.
How was your night?
Bye, thank you.
Don't worry, let me just change up, drop you off.
Oh, thank you.
Sophia, let's go. Let me drop you off.
Nick, why are you so comfortable with the whole thing?
What do you mean?
Is it that you are blind to see all that's been happening in this house, or you just don't care?
Maybe I just don't care.
You don't care that your own wife is having an affair under your roof?
Wait, look. It's my wife you're talking about, you know that, right? I need you to be watchful of how you talk about my wife. Alright? Now, are you going or you want to stay back? Should I drop you off or should I just go and sleep upstairs?
Yes.
Good.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing.
Look, you have no right whatsoever to talk to my guest in that manner or tone.
I am your husband. I am the head of this house. Don't you get it?
I'm always dragging your position with you. All I ask is that you do not meddle in my affairs. You keep to your boundaries. I'm not going to repeat myself.
What has come over you? You're speaking with your husband. I hope you realize that, right?
Well, you said that before. Now you're starting to sound like a broken record.
What's going on here?
Nosa is my boyfriend, and I don't give a hoot if you're comfortable with it or not. Do you understand?
Sister, do you realize the gravity of what you just said?
Something wrong with you.
Sophia, just allow us, okay? Give us some privacy. We're trying to sort something out.
There is nothing to sort out. I have said my piece and I'm not going to repeat myself again.
Babe.
Leave me.
My love, please, let me talk to you, please. I need to explain what really happened.
Go away, please. Stop disturbing me. I just got back from work. I don't need disturbance.
Babe, just hear me out. Hear me out. I've been trying to talk to you. You wouldn't listen.
Look, I am done listening to you and your lies. Leave me.
Babe, trust me. Just listen to me.
Stop that so that you can tell me more lies.
Something is really wrong somewhere. Because my sister that I know is well behaved. Why the sudden change? Cheating on her husband under his roof. And he's so comfortable with it. Something is wrong. Is either she caught her husband cheating with another woman and then she decided to reciprocate. Or the other way around. Even at that, my sister cannot do such a thing.
The kind of
Sophia, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay. No work today?
I only just returned a few minutes ago. Besides, I'm expecting a guest.
Oh, I see. I actually wanted us to talk.
I'm listening.
Sis, I don't know what the problem was, but honestly, I don't like the way you're treating your husband. Yes, I mean, Nick don't deserve such treatment from you. He loves and adores you.
Mm-hmm. Really? Is that why you came here?
Not at all, but I'm only being concerned as your sister, and I want the best for you.
I don't remember giving you an invitation into my marital affairs.
I know, sis, but I'm only being concerned. I don't think this is the best way to go about this.
Sophia, get out of my sight. Keep in mind what you came here to do. Putting your nose in what does not concern you.
Hey, baby. Babe, I'm hungry. What do you have? What is that? I said I'm hungry. Is there food?
Are you deaf? No, are you deaf? How many times do I have to say it in this house? If you're hungry, you go into the kitchen, you make yourself something to eat.
How long am I supposed to do that when I have a wife? Huh?
It's obvious you're not hungry, because if you're hungry, you go into the kitchen and make yourself something to eat instead of sitting down here and talking.
So that's what you have to say, huh?
Look, Nick, enough! Enough, please!
Baby, what happened to us?
I said enough now! Look, don't push me, oh! Don't push me!
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing
How did you get my number?
Oh, do you think it's going to be that difficult? It's my wife's toy, so it's not going to be that hard.
Beg your pardon. Choose your word wisely because I'll not have you insult me.
Or you will beat me, right? Anyways, my bad. Apologies. Guy, I actually came to talk with you because I feel like you're a fellow man. So I'm trying to understand your intentions here. This is man-to-man talk. You come to someone's house and you're frolicking with his wife. Oh, that's all right. Initially, I mean, you didn't know that she was married. You got to find out she's married. You met the husband. He didn't say anything. He even, was very, very nice. Showed you hospitality. He didn't say a word. He didn't fight you. He didn't call the police. He didn't threaten you. And then you couldn't advise yourself. You just continued. No, I'm trying to understand. You are my fellow man. So this is like man-to-man talk.
Hold on. Are you sure she's your wife?
You're asking me if I'm sure my wife is my wife. Of course, she's my wife. I'm just wondering, man. Look, I just met you out of curiosity because I want to know what's motivating your actions. How else am I supposed to explain to her? How else? I've tried. Soon. How soon? Look, I am getting fed up. Guy, you don't understand. Bruh, this thing is not working. Flora just changed. Is that what you think? Alright. Thank you. Gotta go. Nah, I can't do this. Can't do this, man. I've tried.
Hey, Nick. This food has been on dining table since morning, so I decided to bring it to you.
Take the food away, I'm not hungry.
Are you aware you haven't eaten since morning?
Sophia, I'm good. I want to be left alone.
Nick, you're hurting yourself, and this is not the best way to go about this. Isolating yourself is never the best thing to do.
For the up-10 time, I said I'm good. I want to be left alone.
Since that is your favorite speech, I want to be left alone. Every here and there. Well, I insist this time around. Try and eat something, okay?
Is everything alright with you? I said I'm good. How difficult is that?
Alright. I rest my case then. But in case if you need anything, do call me, okay? Forever. Alright.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a beam that dry. If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a beam that dry. Oh, beam that dry. Obi Mudachwa. If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a beam that dry. If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a beam that dry. Oh, beam that dry.
Yes, Auntie. Auntie, I am tired of these people in this house. I don't know, and none of them is ready to say it. Exactly my point, Auntie. That is why I want you to come around and talk to her. She will definitely listen to you and probably open up to you. Okay. Alright, that'll be fine. I'll be expecting you, okay? Bye. Bye.
God.
Hey sis, and where is she going looking this gorgeous?
Oh, so I look gorgeous, right?
Of course! Ooh, you look astonishing.
Thank you.
Stepping out with your husband?
Why do you just want to spoil my mood? Look, I'm going clubbing with my friends. Like,
You're clubbing with your friends without your man?
why the interrogation? I just told you that. Look, are you coming?
No, I'd rather sleep than to club.
Yeah,
Clubbing is not my thing.
I'll see you when I get back.
Yeah, bye.
Hey. She gotta sleep properly upstairs.
Oh, you look crazy.
Yes, I'm back. Do you have an idea where my wife went to? Her car is not parked outside.
She said she went to clubbing with her friends. Yeah.
Clubbing.
Clubbing? Did I just say clubbing?
Of course, you said clubbing.
No. She went to a church program with her friends. Yes. Yes, church.
Really? My wife doesn't go to church. You of all people should know that, so better work on your lying skills.
I'm sorry. I don't know what to.
I'm used to her recent lifestyle already. She can't sleep.
Hey, come here. Did you by any chance discuss my family affairs with an outsider?
An outsider? How do you mean?
Don't ask me dumb questions. Answer my question. Did you discuss my husband and I with anyone?
Oh, I only told Sister IJ. Yes, I told her so that she'll be able to talk to you.
You only told Sister IJ. Please, how did my family affair become your business? How? What exactly did you tell her?
Your recent behavior towards your husband.
Oh, did I marry you alongside my husband? Assistant wife?
Sister, we care about you.
Look, the next time you try that nonsense, you will meet your things out there. Do you understand me? Am I talking to myself?
Yes, I understand.
Give me. So the drink you for my house, don't mind your business. Don't know how my man affairs is your business. Let to mind your business. Can you imagine?
Auntie, I don't think you should come, please, to avoid embarrassment. That is the best thing to do. I'm so sorry, Ma. Please don't take it to heart, okay? I can't believe it either, but please just let it slide. Thank you. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.
But there is one thing I desire. You come in.
You like it? Babe, your feet are so soft and tender.
Really?
I feel like eating them.
Really?
love you so much.
I love you too, baby. You know what? Make a wish. Birthday wish. Anything.
Birthday?
Yes, I'm
What's
sorry.
going on here? You know what? Get your silly ass from that couch and leave this minute!
Enough, Sophia.
No, let me talk to him!
Go to your room. Just go to your room.
Chidi.
Go digger!
Chidi, please. I apologize. I am so
Who is
sorry.
she?
Please, just go to the room, please. Let me handle this. Just, please. Please. I beg you.
It's okay.
Please, just go.
Alright.
First thing tomorrow morning, I want you to pack your things and leave my house. What? You heard me. Pack your things and leave my house.
I should leave your house because of a man?
Yes. I said it with my full chest. Leave my house and never return.
This is not fair at all. You should not let a man come in between us.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire.
For how long will I allow another man continue to make my wife scream this hard? Imagine the way she's mourning. A married woman. Mourning out of control. Exactly the way she does whenever we are making out. Why will she do the same with another man? No, this is crazy. I can't take this anymore. No.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I
Sophia. What are you still doing in my house? What is fun?
About last night?
And what about last night?
Oh, she has forgotten. Why would she not forget? When she was on cloud 9?
If I
Sister.
sound you, you go deaf. You're very silly. Out of my way. He said, get me water.
Okay.
What do you want?
Why I went to my matrimonial bedroom.
Look, Nick, this is not your matrimonial bedroom anymore, and you know that.
What are you talking about?
What are you trying to do? Stop it!
Are you not my wife? What are you doing?
Look, I'm not your wife anymore. A lot has changed, and you know it. Look, don't give me that pretentious look. You know what I'm talking about, please.
I did not do it. Listen to me now. You know me better than this. I'm trying to explain to you, but you're not hearing me out.
Please, leave.
Babe.
Leave now.
This one is rape. Oh. If it's forcefully done, it is rape. Leave me.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you.
Baby, you're spoiling me too much. Of course, 3 million naira should be enough for a house birthday party. Of course. Alright, but when am I expecting you? Because my friends want to meet up with you. Alright, you take your time, alright? But I'm expecting you, Sha. Alright, baby. No, bro, how do I look? I don't know if Lisa is done with her makeup. Oh. Women and makeup, eh? Not reachable.
So you're hanging out with Lisa tonight?
Yeah, you said you're not going out, right?
No.
I don't feel forced now.
No. I thought your sugar mommy said she's coming around.
Yeah, forget that woman now, I beg. Let she rest. See, it's my birthday. Yeah? I will celebrate it with the love of my life.
Oh, guy, they take risk. Oh. You need pursue sending money for birthday. You go hang out with love of your life.
Don't you talk with you I don't like. What you concern you for this matter now?
No first.
No, what you concern you?
No first, me, I just dey talk my own.
Hi, baby. Are you done with your makeup? Alright, I'll be with you in a moment, okay? Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
I'll see you for morning.
Have fun.
Enjoy yourself.
Stay safe.
Alright, now.
Yes? What do you want?
God, you look so beautiful
My
this
friend,
morning.
don't play dumps with me. What are you doing here?
Alright, you know why I'm here, right? Is she in?
You must be very stupid if you think I'll let you in.
Come on, why you being harsh? She asked me to come here this morning and meet her before she goes to the office.
Well, she has gone to work. So get out.
Excuse me.
Excuse you? Get out!
You don't have to be rude.
I don't have to be rude. Really? But you want to break someone's home. My friend, get out of this place!
Whatever. Please,
Whatever.
spoil my day.
Get out! Gold digger. Stupid human being. Look at him. You want to come and reap where he did not sow. Silly goats. Nonsense.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You can make a be natural.
Hey! What are you trying to do?
Just calm down, alright?
Please leave my room. Leave my room, please. Look, I don't have... Leave me! Leave me.
It's been 3 months.
Why are you being aggressive?
I'm so sorry. It's been 3 months. I've been trying to explain to you.
I'll shout rape you.
Baby, not do that. I'm your husband. I'll never want to rape you. Why would I want to?
You must be out of your mind to think anything is going to happen between us. What about your partner? Go and meet your partner now. What is wrong?
You got it all wrong.
Please stop stressing my life. Leave my room. I will slap your face.
Baby, I need you.
Leave my room. No, you're not an animal.
All right, Nick, you know, I've always loved you. You're one of my best staff I have here. And there's something I really want you to do for me. I need a help from you, which I will turn it back to you.
Well, sir, you know, I am very open to rendering the best services to make this company a better one. And I thank you for the opportunity, sir.
I understand that. The truth about it is that I love you so much. Can you offer me your body? And I'll take care of you.
I don't understand. What do you mean, offer you my body? I'm not a woman.
The truth is, I don't do women, I do men. Understand? And that's why I'm trying to want you to offer me something I want from you. And let me just show you something.
I cannot believe I got married to a bisexual. What? Oh no, this is not happening. I would rather die than let Nick touch me again, ever again. I don't care. He can go back to his partner to get his orgies done. It's not my business. What? You do work in the massage parlor.
I worked there all for you, baby. Now I love you so much.
I know. And I love you too, baby.
I love you more. And babe, I'd really like us to stick together no matter what happens. I'd like us to trust and respect each other and listen. Alright?
Babe. I'll stand by you no matter the situation, okay?
Babe. I know how these things can be. And I just hope that as time goes by and you discover my flaws and I discover yours, that you will not abandon me.
Why will I abandon you? It's like you are asking me to stop breathing. I love you too much for that, baby.
I love you more, my darling. So much.
I love you too.
Look at me. You never leave me, right?
Stop playing. Continue, Joe.
Alright. Flora has changed so much. What happened to the promise that we made to each other? To think that she believed that fool over me. I don't want to hear my own part of the story. It's really killing me. I have always loved and adored you, Flora. What's all this?
How are you, Sophie?
I'm fine. Good morning, sis.
Good morning. Have you seen it?
No, but he should be in his room. Off to work?
Yes, tell him I'm gone.
You going to work? Right.
Great. Here.
What's that?
Divorce papers.
What? Divorce? Sis,
What?
tell me you're joking.
Do I look like a clown to you? I meant everything I said.
But you can't divorce your husband. He's a good man.
You don't know my husband as well as I know him, okay?
What exactly has he done that you can't let go?
When you're married, we will continue this conversation.
Obviously, I know I'm not married, but I'm not too blind to see what has been going on in this house. Come on, sis, you're going too far.
Look, I'm late for work, okay? Please.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. Become a cobim that joie. If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. Become a copine da joie, obimu da joie, obimu da joie. If only you can realize.
Nick, what are you doing? Enough. You don't have to do this. Stop.
Leave my drink.
Nick, just stop. For how long will you continue like this? Huh? You don't have to be drinking all the time. Why are you doing this to yourself? It's not fair. Really, it's not. I've told you this is not the best thing to do. It's not.
Guy, what do you do about this now? Don't tell me you are trying to consider a proposal.
Of course not. It's Lisa I love and not her.
But you are still with her. How do you explain to her that you have someone that you truly love?
See, you know that because of her money I did with Flora. See, honestly, I cannot marry that woman.
Then marry her because of her money now.
I cannot marry a woman that brings a man into her matrimonial home in the presence of her husband. It's a big red flag.
You know what, Chidi? I suggest you tell her the truth.
Which truth?
That you have someone that you are deeply in love with and you would like to marry her.
This can't suggest him down.
I said, make her talk.
You know, go away. I don't like that kind of a thing.
What? What do you mean by he's a bisexual?
I saw a video of him and his boss making out and kissing in the office.
Oh my gosh. Are you sure about this? Because he looks so innocent and responsible.
Sophia, how many times do I have to tell you that looks can be deceiving?
Then, if he's a bisexual, then you have my full support to divorce him. Yes, because you can't possibly live with him all your life. It's a terrible thing to do.
Are you really in support?
Yes.
Do you know that the trauma just kept haunting me? I just had to channel my love to another man. I beg. I can't come and die.
Sis, I want you to know that your mental health is paramount. Yes. Just divorce him.
Such can't even. Oh, my schedule. And I was nothing but a good wife to this guy. Sis, I know.
Why do I find it so difficult to believe that Nick is a bisexual? Or is it because of my feelings towards him? Oh my gosh, I am beginning to love this guy. Sophia, you need to calm down. He's your sister's husband and a bisexual. I just have to start avoiding him. Yeah.
Hey, baby. How's your day going? Well, my day is going well. It's just that I miss you. And I think you should come over. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Of course, you already know, my favorite. Alright, baby. Yeah, kisses. Bye.
The kind of love I have for you.
You've been avoiding me. May I know why?
Not at all. As you can see, I've been busy.
Are you sure? Sure this is about work?
Of course. You know I cannot deliberately avoid you, right? I can't do that.
Well, I don't know. Well, I'll be very honest. You've really been very distant.
Really?
Of course.
But we see all the time, and how distant could...
Well, that's different. Seeing each other is not what I'm talking about. You can still see someone every day and yet be very far away from the person. And that's exactly what's happening in our case.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way.
It's alright. It's all good.
Yep. You know my work is time consuming, right?
It's all good. Yeah.
All right, see you later.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. There is one thing.
Maybe I should accept her proposal and marry her. Probably divorce her after 2 years. But then, what if she finds out? No. This opportunity, it does not come by easily. I think I can outsmart her. I will make enough money from her and then travel abroad with my love. Chidi, I cannot lose this opportunity. it does not come by easily, right? I can't lose this opportunity. Yeah.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
It's actually that's what always happened those days. SS2 people always try to fight SS3 people, you know, because they feel like they're grown. So on that very day they beat me up. It's crazy.
Oh god. Nick. Oh.
Matron, what's funny?
Good
What's
morning,
going on
sis.
here?
Would you mind me to make you breakfast? Oh, sorry.
Hey, what's up, babe?
Nick here was actually telling me about his secondary school days, and oh my god, his gist is so funny. Have she heard about this gist before?
No.
What makes you think I want to listen to any stupid gist? Do I look like I want to listen to gist?
Stupid. It's not stupid.
You just keep quiet.
Oh my goodness, Nick, please, you should continue. So what happened?
I didn't know you like just like this.
Of
See how
course
you
I
just
do.
laughing.
I do. Please, you should continue.
What else do you want to hear? I already told you they beat me up. I cried home, you know. Cry.
Oh.
Next time if I see them fighting, I just go left. They fight right.
What is going on between you and Nick?
What do you mean by what's going on?
What do I mean by what is going on? Whose side are you on?
Sister, I am yet to figure out what you are saying. What's going on?
Sophia, a lot is going on between you and Nick. Yes, a lot!
Sister, at this point, I can see that you're beginning to imagine things, and honestly, it's not good for your health. Really, because I don't understand. Nothing is going on between me and your husband.
Okay. What was that laugh for this morning?
Oh. Sister, it's nothing. Really, it's nothing. I don't know. Just imagine.
Sophia! Sophia, distance yourself from him. I am warning you. Mind the business that you came here for. Do you understand me? I will not repeat myself again.
Fine,
Alright.
if that is what you want.
So she asked you to keep a distance from me, yeah?
No one told me anything. I just felt like we are so close and we need to distance ourselves.
Why are you lying? I've heard her say that to you.
You did?
Sure I did.
Just that, you know how mean my sister can be at times, right? And honestly, I do not want to have any issues with her.
Well, there's a saying that you cannot eat your cake and have it. She keeps a distance from me. She doesn't talk to me. She doesn't regard me. She doesn't respect me. You're the one who checks in on me. You're the one who I can actually have a conversation with. So why is she complaining? Look, there is nothing to worry about. Trust me. You're not doing anything wrong.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Or do you think you're doing something wrong? By talking to me?
No.
Especially when she's not talking to me. Treating me like trash.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Tony. Bro, I cannot wait to finish this game as fast as possible. It's very good.
Guy, you can't be this heartless now. That is a very terrible thing to do, you know?
And do I look like I care? See, now she call for this thing. She go collect normal.
That lady truly loves you. And she doesn't deserve this treatment from you.
Don't which kind of talk with this one now? Eh? What you concern you for this matter now?
My guy, I say make I advise you. Ask my guy where you be. I know I'll make you enter inside trouble.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the advice. We'll change this topic.
No. We'll conclude this one. No matter talk, I finish.
I'm done with this conversation.
My guy say you are done. This guy said. Hey.
Why haven't you signed the papers?
And what papers are you talking about?
Don't play dumb with me. The divorce papers.
Are you sure this is what you really want?
My friend signed the papers. I need them by tomorrow morning.
Flora, signing that paper is not the problem. I just want to be sure that you know the gravity of what you're going in for. Do you really understand what this is all about?
Sign the papers. Okay?
Really? Bro, trust me, it's not that easy, honestly. So are you saying you feel signing this thing is the best option right now? Bruh. Okay. But fine. I'll just see what I can do. I'll sign it. I'll let you know though. Yeah. Thank you.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you.
Kai,
But there is
it's not
one
nice.
thing I desire. You can make a beam that dry. If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you.
Hey, sis. What are we celebrating?
Grab yourself a glass and let's drink.
Drink? No, I just finished eating.
Why are you
just
so
hit
boring?
me the good news.
Okay, guess.
Guess. You got promoted at work?
No, why are you so boring? Keep guessing.
Oh, sis, please, just hit the good news.
Okay. Mike and I finally divorced inside the papers. Oh, wait. Sis, hold on. Yeah. What?
You were this excited because you and Mike has officially divorced?
Yes.
And you're this excited?
Finally. Either you get yourself a glass or you leave me be to celebrate, please. Okay? Oh, finally.
If your wife divorces you because of another man.
I can never be in your shoes. You know why? I am not a gay. And secondly, I cannot marry a girl into my house just to frustrate her. That is why I can never, ever be in your shoes.
Hold on. Did my wife tell you that I'm gay?
Is that not who you are? Okay,
You never expected her to tell me?
You know what? I am done having this conversation.
Same here. You don't even know I'm doing you a big favor. Rubbish.
So did she tell you that I'm into men as well?
She mentioned that to me.
Wow. And you kept it to yourself. You didn't even ask me to know if it's true.
Is that necessary?
Really? How do you mean?
I mean, I was still trying to figure it out.
Wow. So she told you something like that? And you did not even bother to ask me to hear my own side of the story.
Nick, all that mean nothing to me. All that matters is that what I feel for you is bigger than what she said to me.
Are you trying to say you didn't believe her?
Of course. Okay, let me just... I did. I actually did. To some point, I did. But what I feel for you is bigger than all that.
So what is this that you feel for me? You want to tell me about it?
Babe,
Yeah.
how many kids do you think we should have?
Talking about kids now.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think 5 it should be okay.
5 kids? Ha. Please, oh, that's not reasonable. It's not advisable. We can't raise them.
5 is okay by me though, but if you insist, it's okay.
I insist. 3 is a perfect number and we can raise them well.
Yeah, that's true. You know, things are actually very hard now.
Exactly my point. I want to have kids that I can invest in properly, and kids are investments.
You know what? I love the way you talk about our kids. I can't wait to call you my wife.
I can't wait to call you my husband, baby. Have you rested?
Mm-hmm.
Flora, when are you leaving my house?
Excuse me?
When are you leaving my house?
Soon, actually.
Soon is not acceptable. Soon is not definite. When are you leaving?
I'll leave when I'm ready to leave.
No. No, you'll not do that with me. Do you understand? You will not do that with me. You said you wanted a divorce. I gave you a divorce. Leave my house already.
Wait. Why this sudden change of character?
You want to know? You are now a stranger in this house. Why are you acting like you don't know what you've done? You're divorced. Don't you get it? Is that not what you wanted?
Okay, fine.
You think I'm joking, huh?
What?
Keep this remote. This belongs to me. You don't want me, you ask for a divorce, so stay away from everything that has to do with this man right here. Do you understand? Let it be. Make up your mind on what you want. You say you don't want me in your life anymore, then get out of my house.
I leave when I want to leave.
Nick, don't you think you're taking this too extreme?
She asked for a divorce. And a divorce she has gotten.
I know, but she's still your wife.
That's a lie. She ceased being my wife the moment she made me sign those papers.
What if she wants to reconcile with you? Won't you reconsider?
It's like you don't know what's going on. You're done already.
Really? You easily give up on your loved ones just like that?
Loved ones, you say? Do you force people to love you? Do you? You don't force people to love you, especially when they don't want to stay.
That's true. Love is a mutual feeling.
As a matter of fact, I have moved on. My heart belongs to another person right now.
You can't be serious. Okay, so tell me more about her. And when do I get to know this person?
Don't worry, soon.
I can't wait. Okay. So then, well, how is she like?
I said very soon.
Alright.
Look, you know the issue on ground. I suggest you start looking for a place to go or stay. I have to be out of here by the end of the month. It's just my only little advice to you.
Sis, I understand, but you know, to get a good house around is not that easy, considering the increment of house rent.
Yeah, but I'm sure you have savings to cater for yourself, don't you?
I do, but honestly, I don't have enough money to get a well-furnished house.
I hear you. I'll see what I can do. In the meantime, just look for an agent to start looking for a house for you in the estates.
Okay.
I'll see what I can do by then.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sure. Nick has finally signed the divorce papers, and sister is making plans to move out of the house any moment from now. Sister, you have to believe it though. It has happened. I'm telling you, it has happened. They are going their separate ways. You not hear that one from my mouth. Call her and ask her yourself. Sister, please, I don't want to have a fight with her. But I thought she told you never to interfere in her marriage again. That's fine, but please don't mention my name. Please, don't tell her I called you. In fact, I did not tell you anything. All right.
You dare not bring another man to this house. Do you understand me?
Why now?
You're asking me why now?
I just did.
Fine. First of all, look around. What do you see? The building I built with my money. My hard-earned money, my blood, my sweat. It's not yours. Do you understand? Secondly, this does not in any way look like a brothel where you can bring any man you want and sleep with them. It's my house, not a brothel. Thirdly, I'm just housing you here. I'm literally helping you, like I'm giving you accommodation because we're not together anymore. So you better behave, otherwise I kick you out. Do you understand?
Don't you have shame? You don't have shame. You are there, standing, trying to maintain steez. You carry list, you are speaking big English because of fellow man like you that has two chests. You don't have shame. I built. Can you... Look, Nick. Look, I don't have your energy tonight. I have somebody waiting for me. So just let me be.
You will not do that.
I will not do what?
You will not do that.
I will not do what?
I've told you.
Carry me up.
I have divorced you. You divorced me, brother.
So why are you holding me now? Why is it peppering?
You will not bring a man to my house.
Watch me.
Talking to you.
I am not your wife, oh.
Then leave my house already.
Leave me alone. By weekend, I will leave out of my way, John!
just trying to take it easy because you're a woman. My wife is strong.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire.
Sophia, thank you for coming into my life.
If only you can realize the kind of love I have for you.
It's the way you love and care for me despite what you heard about me. I love you very much.
I am asking you a question. Who the fuck is she?
My friend, give me my phone. You have no rights.
I am not giving you this phone until you tell me who the fuck she is. Who is she?
And if I don't tell you, what would you do?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Look, you have to tell me what the fuck this is. Is something wrong with you? After everything
Flora!
Flora what? Baba, you answer me, Joe. Do I look like I'm playing to you?
This should be the last time. And listen,
Chidi,
she is my fiancée.
I am touching you.
And I love her with all of my life.
You are mad. You must be joking.
Don't touch me.
I touch you again. What do you want to do?
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? What kind of a... You dare not lay your hands on me next time. Are you stupid?
Oh my God. What?
You do her to get this. You do her.
Sister, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God. Leave me. Oh my gosh. Sister, are you okay? Oh Jesus, are you okay? Please, just leave him alone. Please leave him. Please leave him so that you don't kill him, please. Oh my God. Sister, you sure you're okay? Sister, please leave him, please. Oh my God.
Sorry. No. Sorry. But what is happen to you? Sorry. Who you go follow fight like this, sef?
Guy, I can't remember telling you I fought anybody.
Then what happened to you?
Well, it could be an accident. It must not always be fighting.
Accident like this? Bro, I doubt you, sorry.
Well, that's the business. That's the business.
Come. No shout from you. I go leave this thing for you, make you do by yourself. Not be me send you go fight.
Don't you deaf? I said I didn't fight anybody.
Okay, I don't hear you, sorry.
Wait, hold on.
Sorry. Who that drug? Who that your drugs when you buy? Yeah, now they come, I bring them for you. Be mindful of this water.
Sis, don't tell me you're still crying. That's enough, please.
Look, I don't know what I've done to deserve this. I don't know why men keep treating me this way. Don't I deserve to be loved genuinely? Don't I deserve genuine love? I'm just so sick and tired of me.
But you don't have to cry, okay? That's enough, please.
Sure. I think I should just, use this opportunity to clear the air. I do not know how else you wanted me to explain things. I kept trying to explain over and over again, but you wouldn't listen.
I listened to you spill more lies to me. Look, the video was enough evidence, okay?
Sis, I think you should listen to him. Please. Even the court cannot carry out any verdict without listening to the both parties.
You want me to listen to him spill more lies to me?
Sis, in every lie, there is an atom of truth. Please, just hear him out.
I don't know why you allowed that video to deceive you. I did not kiss my boss. Why would I do something like that? On that fateful day, my boss asked me to tag along that he wanted to go for lunch.
You know, I've always loved you. You're one of my best staff I have here. And there's something I really want you to do for me. I need a help from you, which I will turn it back to you.
Well, sir, you know, I am very open to rendering the best services to make this company a better one. And I thank you for the opportunity, sir.
I understand that. The truth about it is that I love you so much. Can you offer me your body? And I'll take care of you.
I don't understand. What do you mean, offer you my body? I'm not a woman.
The truth is, I don't do woman, I do men. Understand? And that's why I'm want you to offer me something I want from you. And let me just choose.
Stop this. What do you mean? What's your problem, sir? Respect yourself, oh.
Like I told you, I will offer you anything you want. Come on. I'm your boss. Nobody's looking at us. Come on.
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? To hell with you and your work. To hell with you. Why do you think I slept in the cell for days? And thereafter I was sacked. Why do you think that?
Oh my goodness. Wait, Nick. Why did you tell me this way? Why did you tell it to me like this?
Why didn't I tell you? Why didn't I tell you? Do you know how many times I tried to call your attention? My loving wife. The one that's meant to be the bone of my bones, my greatest confidant. I couldn't even talk to you. You didn't give me ears. For months, I tried to talk to you. I tried to tell you what exactly happened. I kept on trying to tell you. You switched from being the sweet, the kind, the loving wife I had to the worst nightmare ever.
Nick, I'm so sorry. Okay? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you this way. It wasn't my intention at all. I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. At the end of the day, we all have learned the very hard way.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Just forgive me.
No, it's okay. I've forgiven you. You've heard me out now. You've seen that. You were just accusing me for nothing. It's okay. I've forgiven you.
This is okay.
Oh, God.
Now Nick has reconciled with his wife. What has become of me? Oh my goodness. I am so ashamed of myself right now. So ashamed to have slept with my sister's husband, even though it's not entirely my fault. But what I feel for him is so deep. What should I do? I think I just have to leave this house and forget about him forever.
drop you off.
I don't want you to drop me off, thank you.
What's your problem?
What is it?
Oh, what's the issue?
Nick, you started avoiding me ever since you reconciled with your wife. Huh? And now you're asking me what's going on?
Come on, I don't know that's the way you saw it. Look, I'll make it up to you, alright?
Really? How do you want me to see it? No, tell me. You suddenly stopped coming to my room to check up on me.
It's fine. I said I'll make it up to you, alright? Now let me drop you off. Come here.
That's fine.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
The kind of love I have for you. But there is one thing I desire. You
Flora.
come in.
When are you leaving my house?
Nick, I thought you said you had forgiven me.
Of course I've forgiven you. I have. But, I mean, don't forget we're divorced now.
Look, Nick, don't you love me anymore? I still feel something for you very strongly.
Flora, look, the deed is done. I am done with you. I have moved on. Before I signed those papers, I asked you, are you sure this is what you want? And you said, this is what you want. It's over.
We can work things out. We can.
Sadly, there's nothing to work out. Look, I have sobbed in private. I have mourned losing you, and I've moved on. As a matter of fact, I'm in love with some other person right now.
Who are you in love with?
Yeah, I'm in love with your sister, the one that's been there for me all this while.
Which of my sister?
How many sisters do you have? Your cousin sister, of course, Sophia.
Wait. So you mean to tell me that you two have been having an affair all this while, under my nose?
Well, after I signed the divorce papers, yes.
How can you be so heartless? And then you're comfortably sitting down there and telling me yes.
What are you talking about?
Of all the women in the world, my sister.
Yes, because she was the one who was there for me when you allowed me to suffer and almost die of loneliness. Do you know what you did to me? I tried severally to explain to you. I tried severally to talk to you. My own dear wife.
My sister.
Well, look, I'm sorry about that, but the deed is done. Before I signed those papers, I asked you, are you sure this is what you want? Are you sure this is the best decision? You would have just calmed down. Anyways, please, for things to be orderly, in 2 days' time, from now to 2 days' time, I'd appreciate if you leave my house so that I can continue my life. It's sad, but it's what it is.
This is unfair. This is unfair. This is. Oh my God.
You're trying to play the victim now, huh? Please, 2 days. All right? 2 days. Okay? Sometimes it's good to make a decision when you have checked it properly.
Oh my God.
bastard! Oh, so you've been sleeping with my husband in this house, under my nose! So you wanted to destroy my house all along. That is why you came into this house.
That's a lie, sis. You destroyed the home by yourself.
Oh, so you went further by sleeping with my own husband. And you say you're my sister. You will die. You will die today. You will die. You will die. You will die today. You will die. My husband. What's the meaning of this? You're very mad. Leave me. Let me teach you a lesson. Over my dead body. You hear me? Over my dead body.
Look, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. We can talk about this. Don't do this, please. Nick.
Where could he be now? Does it mean he has gone for the interview? His interview is supposed to be by 10 a.m. This is still after 7. Babe!
Where could he be?
Baby, I'll be very honest. Your coming into my life has brought me peace and joy. You're the reason for my smile. And with everything in me, I would love to be the reason why you smile forever. Please. Babe, will you do forever with me?
Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, this is so beautiful.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
Anything for you, babe?
Can't realize
Oh my God, it's so funny.
wow. But there is one